Today we're going to try this brow contour kit for the first time, and as someone who has blonde eyebrows naturally, I'm always a little bit skeptic and nervous about brow products looking too dark or harsh. This one was actually really easy to work with. Once you open it, you're going to realize it's got 6 brow powders, so you can mix and match if needed. It's got the 5 stencils, a spoolie brush duo, tweezers, brow wax, and even a highlighter. Everything's laid out neatly so it doesn't feel overwhelming, just really complete. I started out with one of the lighter brown shades and I built up slowly, which I think is key if you have lighter brows like I do. The powders are really forgiving. They don't go on super harsh, so I didn't feel like I was going to mess it up instantly. Actually look natural instead of overly drawn on. The stencils were helpful too, especially for shaping. I don't always use stencils, but for a first time try, these made it easier to get a clean, even look. The brow wax helped everything stay in place without making my brows feel stiff, and the highlighter under the brow added a nice little finish touch. What I liked most is that I could darken my blonde brows without it looking fake. I could control how bold or soft I wanted them, which makes this really beginner friendly. It didn't take a ton of effort, and I didn't feel like I needed to be a makeup expert to get a decent result. We were sent this kit to test out, and I think it's great for beginners or anyone learning brows. It's easy to build color, especially for lighter brows. It's an all-in-one kit. You don't need extra tools. It's going to come complete with the stencils, which help shaping, and it's going to produce natural looking results that aren't too harsh.